It's highly ridiculous when the country is facing any challenge. All of them should be united to make our country stronger. Because it is not the measure of our honorable Prime Minister, it's the decision from Trump. Each and everyone is condemning it. So they should be aware of the situation. And I strongly believe, because you would have seen how our honorable Prime Minister has gained the respect from the leaders of other country. So when he is gaining the respect like this, political parties from his own country talking like this and agitating like this, only people will think bad about the India alliance, because they have to be with the country. Whether it is a war situation or any challenges from different countries, they should be with the country, with the people, with the Prime Minister. And our Honorable Prime Minister is known for facing challenges. For example, during the Corona period, even the developed countries were suffering to regain its economic situation. But our Honorable Prime Minister regained its economic situation and moving towards the third position in the economic status in the world. So our Honorable Prime Minister is known for facing all these challenges. This India alliance cannot do anything than agitating. And Rahul Gandhi cannot do anything, cannot talk anything than like talking lie. He talked about Arun Jaitley. That was a lie. And he was talking about constitution, the years of constitution. That is also a lie. So they are in distress. According to me, country is not in a distress. Even economy is not in a distress. Our Honorable Prime Minister, as it is said by our Honorable Finance Minister today, they are so bold enough to face the challenges. But the Rahul Gandhi is unable to face even the political challenges. So he is in a distress.